and I love it. Still look good. I reinstall it, still look good. Like, what are you saying to me right now? Thank you so much. I love my hair. Like, you did that. You did that.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's a vibe, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Greggy, and today I'll be filming a video showing you how I reinstalled this 613 hair with darkened roots. And I did that. Like, I just want you guys to like watch this video, tune into this company, and like and subscribe to my channel. Like, so the company I decided to shop with was LuvMe Hair. I actually purchased their blonde 613 bob wig for $109.13. That was with a $30 discount. The hair came in this mesh bag, and they also gave me a gift bag. And inside the gift bag, we had bobby pins, a comb, a wig band, a hair clip, a edge wrap scarf, and 2 tweezers, as well as wig caps so that I can install my wig. So the hair was very soft. I have no complaints about that. As well as the front of the hair, it looked a little bit plucked, but of course my stylist went in and plucked it a little bit more. And the inside was fine and the ends were a little thin, but I knew that would all work itself out. So I'm getting right into the install. I'm using Got2b Glue to spray down the bald cap and, you know, achieve the bald look. So I was just chilling throughout this whole process, making sure that it dries and all of that stuff. So after the bald cap was finished, I cut it off, and then I started to line my hairline with some glue. So I did 3 layers. After that, I applied the wig, and then I tied it down with a silk scarf. I left it on for like 15 minutes, and I went back in and I glued down any spots that was still sticking up. So this is me taking off my headscarves. I actually used the stocking because I didn't have anything else really. I'm just struggling right here. Eventually I'm gonna get it off. I know so. So yeah, guys, let's see the reveal. Did it melt or did it not melt? Whoa, what the hell is that? Oh, I thought that was glue. What I did, and I got it off. Oh, and it actually looks melted good a little bit, but like over here it looks melted to me. But in the front of my hair I had some pins because I don't have those clips to like hold my hair back. So this is what I found in Dollar Tree, and they're kind of cute to me. I'll wear them. Take away the glue.
Oh, here's fine. I'll take away the glue.
Wait a minute.
I don't want to lift it. Let me stop. So let me take these out.
Yes, I wish I was both-handed, cause this shit here is overrated. Over fucking rated.
So, for my birthday, I don't remember what side my hair was parted on. Let me try to think about it. I think it was parted on this side, and now I parted it on that side. But it doesn't matter.
I think this is good enough for the edges. I think so. All right. Pray for me. All right. I think this is how they be doing it. They be like, ain't no going back now. All right. I did it, so we just gonna have to continue, right? So let's put some. Look at me, look at me. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need to cut them a little bit shorter. Yo, my friend is about to be so proud of me. Boy, I'm about to text you right now and show you what I did. Like, what? What? Grian is slaying the frontals now? Like, what? Y'all didn't hear that. Nah. Like, what? Greggy on the sleigh? Greggy on the sleigh? Like, what? The other day I was outside and my hair was lifting. And she toned it and I love it. Still look good. I reinstall it, still look good. Like, what are you saying to me right now? Thank you so much. I love my hair. Like, you did that. You did that. So yeah, if anybody needs somebody to do their hair and you live in New York, book my sis. Yeah, I'm not really touching this. Hi guys, so I'm back. Look at my edges though. Look at them. What? I flat ironed the hair last night on the dome head, but I'm not gonna be flat ironing it again today because I'm tired. I just did my edges and everything. I just did the install again. So let me put some of this down. And I'm so proud of myself, guys. Like, so proud. Like, what? I'm about to be doing my installs all the time. Yeah. Oh, let's talk about shipping, guys. Like, first of all, I purchased this hair on like a Thursday and it arrived on Sunday. I was so happy because my birthday was like gonna be on Saturday or something, and I needed to drop off my hair to my stylist on Friday, and it came super early. They said it was gonna be 5 to 7 days, but it actually came in 2 or 3. Like, come on now. I found them on Instagram. I was just exploring on Instagram and I found them. I think you guys should definitely check them out. I actually made my cousin order some hair from them too. So yeah, guys, it's LuvMe. The hair sheds but minimally, like almost nothing. Like, this is 630. It still looks good. I washed it like 3 times. Washed it when it came. My stylist washed it after she darkened the roots, and then I washed it before I reinstalled it, and it's holding up, you know. So should I do a 360 for you guys? All right, we're gonna do like a 180. Nah, it's gonna be a 360. Nah, a 180. So yeah, I love it. I was scared to do blonde. Like, I was scared to do the 613 that came out the package, but I just had her tone it down for me, darken the roots, and it looks good. Like, it's a vibe, like, definitely. So that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys again. Bye.